Alright guys, so we just made it to Innsbruck. Super excited to explore the city, see what's new. I've never actually been in the city, so I'm excited to learn, well, to see as much as possible with you guys. Right now we're walking to the hostel. I'm gonna do a check-in. I think there's a bar in the hostel, but I'm gonna look for a local restaurant, get some food, and just kind of explore until it gets dark. Okay. Oh, my camera's... Okay, so we dropped our stuff off at the hostel. We decided we were gonna go rock climbing, and now we're walking to the rock climbing gym. Pretty straightforward. I'm pretty hungry. I forgot to eat, but I looked at the schedule, and this is the best time to go climbing, so I think I'm gonna go there, try to make some friends, see if I can ask for some food recommendations, and then maybe get some food after. Anyway, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so just finished rock climbing. It was a very nice time. I was in there. They had a bouldering area. There's the outdoor bouldering areas here, but we were in the indoor section. And to check in, he wanted me to speak in Spanish, which is cool. So we spoke in Spanish to do all the check-in stuff. And then afterwards, while I was climbing, met a couple of people. Thank you, David, Philip, for being kind and talking to me, and Lena and someone else for also being there and having a nice, well, being there. So yeah, if you guys see this video, thank you for the kindness that you showed. Anyway, it was a good time. I'm gonna walk back. It's raining a little, but let's yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a döner in the city center. One place closes at midnight, so hopefully that'll work. Beyond that, see you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is 9 a.m. I am downtown and we're gonna go hike up a mountain. Okay, so we made it to Hungerberg, the base for Nordket, where the bus drops you off. It's an hour-and-a-half hike up to... It's snowing. It's an hour-and-a-half hike up to the top of the mountain. I don't think I'm gonna make it, just because I'm still pretty hungry. I haven't found food, and but the cool thing is, there's snow. We're officially in the clouds, and It looks like it snowed here a couple days ago. Let's see what it looks like over the edge. Wow. That's the city down there. There's the river. It's about, you can see about what I can see, so, wow. This is cool. The trees up there. You can see a little bit past, there's a ton of pine trees and they're all covered in a little bit of snow. Super pretty. By the way, the cafe was closed, so yeah, we're sad. So I just got the crap scared out of me. This one guy running up, just cleared his throat, like right behind me, and I've never shaken so much in my life. But check out this view. Or I guess the snow. Let's see this one. I don't know if this is being perceived, but this is just beautiful. And then just the fact that everything's still green and all of this thick snow, then you go into a little tunnel and it's all covered by trees and it's green. Like there was never any snow, and it's just breaking through little cracks in the leaves, coming down just bit by bit. Man, I am so happy that I am here right now. Every so often, there's big clearings like this. It almost looks like a giant was walking through and dragged his feet or something. I think this camera lens gets it a little bit better, but wow, it's just gorgeous. And to think that this is all created by God, all of this, and it's all His thing. This is insane. But anyway, we made it to another trail crossing. I think this is as far as we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna walk back the same way. The rest of the trails are a little bit muddy or kind of harder for me. I'm wearing just basic barefoot shoes. So yeah, but this is beautiful. I feel like there's not a lot of words that can describe the feeling you get from this serene, just beauty. But yeah, no, I don't really know what to say. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, so we made it to a little pizzeria. Pizzeria Napoli. A lot of the reviews said that like it was that the food is really good, but like the place isn't that nice. And I mean, the place is fine, but I'm excited for this food. I just got a pizza capricciosa with stuff on it and a Coke. So yeah, just finished the food. It was very good. It was got a Coke and a full pizza for €10. And yeah, the guy was like running the whole thing there, running around. It was really cool. He had like, it definitely felt like a home shop. But anyway, gonna go change my shoes and keep out in the city. I got a little bit of snow on me.